Hello class, my name is Matthew Beyer and this is my week 1 project assignment. It is for the form processing assignment. First thing we're going to talk about is the index.html file that takes the user registration information such as first name, last name, username, password, and the avatar image. Secondly is going to be the new user.php. It takes all this information and it compiles it to make the required task. From there, I'm going to do a video demonstration of the functionality. So here we go. So the first part was the index.html, where we need to take all this information. I'm using brackets as my IDE. So as you can see right here, we have the HTML for that. First name, last name, username, password, avatar, submit button. From there we go back over, and this is going to take all the information, so we're going to put everything in this form. And then the second part of it is going to be to make the new user.php, which is going to take all that information and it's going to do something with it, which if we look right here, we're going to salt and hash the password. Then we're going to verify that the image is a JPEG or a PNG. And then we're going to run all this. And we have an image directory that we're going to store the images in as well. So now if we go over here, I'll show you this in action with my example. So this is my form. Right here we'll put in first name, mine, Matthew Beyer, last name Beyer, username M Beyer. For the password, I'm just going to use 1 2 3 4 5. We'll take the avatar image off my desktop, and then we'll hit register. And here we go. So this is the new user.php. It takes the information that we had called for, which is first name Matthew, last name Beyer, username in Beyer. Here's our password salted and hashed, and the image that we uploaded. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation. For the most part, if I have to say something that I learned that I've never even heard of before, was the salting and the hashing. I'm actually still going over some more information, getting ready for the discussion post. But yeah, so for the most part, the rest of that stuff, I'm not going to say I was familiar with, but I had seen it in previous classes, and we have done something similar to a lot of that before. But the salting and hashing, or encryption in general, for the most part, I had no experience whatsoever. So I look forward to learning a little more about that. I understand that that's something that's really, really important today, where everybody's trying to steal our information. So thanks class. That bell was for me. So I hope you like my presentation, and I look forward to learning lots of stuff with you all.